You good?
Push them off there.
Alright, heading out to Napali coastline. We're at Kikaha Harbor right now with my brother Pat and his boat, Foss 22. Kiara in the Hawaii. This is going to be an experience of a lifetime, you know, especially for Kiara. I've done it a lot of times in the past when I was younger, but today is going to be a memorial day. So.
Oh, easy.
Easy. Wow, deep there.
You take it out. You take them out.
Yeah, take them out. Float down.
Bring them in.
Some in a bucket.
Check it in navigation, bro. Ooh.
All simple, no, all in one.
Get the fucking unreal, bro. Hawaiian, your slippers is so big, I can use them for fins.
Ngayon po, fins are bought. Boogie-board.
You was.
Pipe board, bro.
Ready.
Ready, bro. I just remember, Kiara, one time, me and Pat, we come in a Hava on fumes. No gas, bro. As soon as just before we hit the fucking dock, the boat knock off, bro.
Die out the boat. So you put right on that trailer, you down. Hey, Hawaiian, halfway from me how? The needle bouncing on empty mid-channel.
The stories you tell me.
Loud and clear.
Who's that, Marissa?
Yeah, one of those two boats.
Oh,
Okay, hang on there.
right on, bro. Bigger. Yes, sir.